5 ways to reduce anxiety every day. Overwhelming anxiety often inspires feelings of hopelessness. It is crucial to learn how you can decrease anxiety if your symptoms are out of control. Keep watching this video to determine how you can fight anxiety. To help you ensure anxiety is not taking control of your life, speak to your doctor about medications you can take to restore potential chemical balances. Medications are often prescribed for people dealing with anxiety disorders, and the results have proven to be very effective in most cases. One of the easiest things that you can do if you are in a battle with anxiety is to remove sugar and refined carbohydrates from your diet. Anxiety can be triggered by the fluctuations in the levels of sugar in your blood, both low and high. These surges are one of the triggers to anxiety and panic attacks. Try to exercise every day if you are having trouble with anxiety. When you get rid of all of your extra energy, then you make your mind a little more tired. This is great if you have trouble sleeping because of your anxiety. During exercise, you will also notice that you aren't thinking about much, so that helps with anxious thoughts as well. Limit the time that you spend watching the paper or watching the news if current events make you anxious. Keep up with current events for just a short while each day to stay generally informed. However, do not dwell on such matters to the point that they drain you emotionally. The battle has now been turned in your favor now. You should be able to start putting together a fine anti-anxiety strategy using these tips as starting points. There is a great deal of additional anxiety fighting information available out there, too. If you work hard at it, you can build a really effective anxiety treatment regimen of your own in a very short time. Discover how I overcame anxiety disorder, and started living life again. Visit secretanxietyhack.com, to learn how I did it. I thought my anxiety disorder was for life, but I discovered how hundreds of former anxiety sufferers melted away their anxiety, and now live relaxed, happy lives, with no trace of anxiety or depression at all. Visit secretanxietyhack.com to learn so much more. Link in the description.